A few minutes ago, I went ahead and posted a video showing that you could use the Internet Explorer on your Xbox One to load the Media Browser 3 UI, play back to the Xbox One, and actually do movie playback on the Xbox from your Media Browser 3 server without actually having to have an Xbox app. Now, I hope there will be an Xbox app, and I think that may in fact come to pass, but for now there isn't. So that's kind of my workaround. Other folks are doing playback from their tablets, and I just thought I'd show the same thing from a different source. It really doesn't matter what app you're using to do the playback. Ultimately, it ends up on your actual Xbox One. So here we've got the Media Browser 3 Windows 8 app. You can see it pops up. I've got my Movies UI here. So let's just drill on back into stuff. So I can do some movies, pick from, say, some new movies. It's nice and fast. I'm actually using dynamic DNS, so this is routing out over the internet back into my house. It doesn't really introduce much lag for this app, and it lets me use the app to stream movies when I'm outside my house, as long as I have a reasonably fast internet connection. So let's do Thor. Okay. So I choose playback to instead of play on my tablet, play to my Xbox, and if I step back here, there we go. The shiny Marvel logo starts loading up, and Thor 2 is playing on my Xbox One. There's really no difference between what I showed you here and what I showed you in the other video about Xbox playback, except that in this case I have used a tablet as my controller. And now that I'm going to stop, I'm going to use the tablet as my controller again. And there we go, got rid of it. That's all there really is to it. This works really, really well in the absence of a Xbox app for Media Browser 3. As soon as one comes out, hint, hint, I will buy that and use it instead. This is a fantastic piece of server software and really just the best thing I've used for movies. So hope it works for you if you give it a try.